Peace of Christ to all. Uh, in the beginning of this video, I want every Christian to copy this video, to copy, not only to add it to your favorite, which means you can download it and you can post it wherever you want, all over the internet. Feel free, there is no copyright, nobody will complain. This is an extremely important video. I wanted to post it everywhere. Always Muslims, they come to us as Christians and they ask us a very well-known question. Where Jesus, he said, I am God. Where Jesus said, I am God. Now, we Christian, we start showing them verses from the Bible where Jesus, he said, I am God. And there is many. But the Muslims, they will keep repeating the same question because there are people who they ask questions not to listen to your answer. Absolutely not. Just to make a question. I said to myself, let me show the Muslims in a very new way how we can prove to them that Jesus said he is God from their book and our book in the same time. How? The God of Islam have 99 names. Each name of those are equal to the other one, which means there is no difference between the name of Allah or any of those 99 names. Allah is one of them and he is equal to all those names. No different, they are equal. So if Jesus, he claimed any of those names, it means he is saying, I am your God, Muslims. So I decided to make this video to show Muslims how many times Jesus, he said, I am God, by saying the names of their God. And I challenge Muslims now to run away from this. How they can deny this now? One of the names of the God of Islam is Al-Haq. Al-Haq, as you see in the screen. Al-Haq, which means the truth. As you see it written there. Did Jesus say, I am the truth? Yes, he said. He is the truth, he is the life. And he is the way. And no coming to the kingdom of God except by Jesus. But most important for us now, he said he is the truth. Can the Muslim deny that his God, Allah name is a truth? The truth is the name of your God. As you see the word, the letter, two letters L, it means that. It's not part of the word, which means Al-Haq. Haq is the name of Allah. Al is just to tell you are talking about who. To make it known. So Jesus, he said, I am the truth, as you see it, the truth. So he's saying, I am Al-Haq. Again, a Muslim will ask you, where Jesus, he said, I am God? He just said that in front of you because he said, I am the truth. And the truth is a name of your God. And I challenge any Muslim to deny that. Another name for the God of Islam. His name is Al-Ba'ith. The resurrection. Did Jesus say, I am the resurrection? Yes, he said. He is the resurrection and he is the life. Not only resurrection. The life itself is the Messiah. So, when your God, Allah, his name is Al-Ba'ith, which means the resurrection, and Jesus said, I am the resurrection, are you going to ask me where Jesus, he said, I am God? He just said, one of the names of your God. He is saying, I am the resurrection. I am Al-Ba'ith. I challenge any Muslim to deny that. You see how easy this way to prove it? And Muslims, they have to shut up, silence. They cannot deny it because those are 99 names of their God. If they deny any of them, they are denying their God. So where Jesus, he said, I am Al-Ba'ith, you go and you see John 11, 25 to 26. I am the resurrection. One more to go. The God of Islam have two other names. Al-Awwal, Al-Akhir, the first and the last. Did Jesus and did the Bible mention the first and the last? If you go to Isaiah 41:4, you will see the following. God said that He is the first and the last. Now, did Jesus say He is the first and the last too? We go to Revelation. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the first and the last. So, just Jesus right now, He said two of the names of your God, claiming to be Him. Jesus is your God, Muslim, face it. He is the Awwal and He is Al-Akhir. He is the first and He is the last. It's in the front of your eyes. Are you going to ask me where Jesus, He said He is God? He did. Let us continue. One of the names of the God of Islam is the King of Kings. Did the Bible say that Jesus is the King of Kings? Yes. He is the King of Kings. And this is the, I can show you many chapters, by the way. I'm choosing just to show some of them. The Lord of Lords and the King of Kings. One of the names of the God of Islam is the Guide, Al-Hadi. Did Jesus say He is the guide? Yes, He said. He said, I am the door. Of any enter through me, he shall be saved, which means He is the guidance. He just claimed to be the guidance. He is the guide. He is Al-Hadi. He will ask you now, the Muslim, where Jesus, He said, I am God. One of the names of the God of Islam is Al-Nur. Al-Nur, which means the light. Did Jesus ever say, I am the light? Yes, He said, I am the light of the world. He who will follows me shall not walk in darkness, but have the light of life. Jesus, He just said He is Al-Nur, which means He is your God, Muslims. You cannot deny it. Are you going to ask me where Jesus, He said, I am Al-Nur?
Je suis la porte. Si quelqu'un entre par moi, il sera sauvé. Il entrera et sortira pour trouver des pâturages. Je suis le chemin, la vérité et la vie. Nul ne vient au Père que par moi. Je suis la résurrection et la vie. Celui qui croit en moi vivra, quand même il serait mort. Je suis le vrai cep, et mon Père est le vigneron. Je suis le pain de vie. Celui qui vient à moi n'aura jamais faim, et celui qui croit en moi n'aura jamais soif. Je suis le bon berger. Le bon berger donne sa vie pour ses brebis. Je suis la lumière du monde. Celui qui me suit ne marchera point dans les ténèbres, mais il aura la lumière de la vie. En vérité, je vous l'ai dit, avant qu'Abraham fût, moi je suis. Et voici, je viens bientôt.